Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's story is about a poor man and a talking rabbit who meet by fate. The man gives a piece of dry bread with kindness and his life takes a turn. He is tasted through sweet wounds and laughter, but in the end a treasure is found that was buried deeper than gold. This is story of patience, kindness, and you unseen guidance. Please subscribe my channel and like the story. Thank you.
In a small village, near a thick green forest, lived an old farmer named Faqeer Deen, who had little to his name but hope in his heart. His hut was humble, his hands were rough from years of hard work, yet his spirit was unbroken. The villagers pitied him, or made fun of him, calling him a failure. But Faqeer Deen never let their words weaken his resolve. Every day he worked hard, carrying bricks, digging pits, helping others, never complaining, always kind. What little he had, he shared, believing that good deeds have their own reward. Every night he would whisper a simple prayer. Just one chance, God, to prove myself through honest work. Faqeer Deen's hope was quiet but firm, a light that refused to go out. One scorching afternoon, Faqeer Deen was resting under a huge banyan tree at the edge of the forest. As he drifted off to sleep, he dreamt of a small farm, a sturdy house, and plenty of food to share. The banyan leaves seemed to listen, carrying his wish into the air. Suddenly, a soft, silvery light appeared before him. Faqeer Deen opened his eyes to see a magical white rabbit with blue eyes. Fahim, the rabbit spoke. Do not be afraid, Faqeer Deen. The forest has seen your kindness and heard your prayers. Such goodness does not go unnoticed. Faqeer Deen watched in awe, hope blossoming in his chest. Fahim, the magical rabbit, continued. Your prayer for a chance has been heard. Deep within this forest lies a hidden treasure, not for the greedy, but for the patient and pure of heart. It is for you. Faqeer Deen listened, stunned. Go to the old well before dawn, Fahim instructed. Dig with patience, not greed. The work will be hard, but do not give up. Faqeer Deen asked, why me? Fahim replied, because you value kindness and perseverance. The forest chooses wisely. With a flick of its tail, the rabbit vanished, leaving Faqeer Deen with a sense of purpose. Faqeer Deen knew he had to try. That night, Faqeer Deen gathered his tools and set out before dawn, following Fahim's instructions. The path to the old well was rough, but he kept going. He dug from sunrise to sunset, his hands blistered, his body aching. The villagers mocked him, calling him crazy, but he ignored their taunts. Each day, the digging grew harder, doubts crept in, but he remembered Fahim's words, dig with patience. On the sixth day, exhausted and close to giving up, he paused, prayed for strength, and resolved to finish. He realized the test was not just of strength, but of spirit. Faqeer Deen raised his shovel one last time, determined not to quit. He would see it through to the end. On the seventh day, Faqeer Deen continued to dig with quiet determination. Suddenly, his shovel hit something hard, a buried chest. The villagers fell silent as he pulled it out and opened the lid. Inside were gold, silver, and jewels, but on top of the riches lay a parchment. True treasures are knowledge, honesty, and patience. Use these riches for good. Tears welled in Faqeer Deen's eyes as he understood. The journey itself was the real reward. He used his new wealth to help the village, building a school and a well, but remained humble and kind. Faqeer Deen's life changed, but his heart did not. And sometimes, near the old well, he would catch a glimpse of a white tail in the trees, a reminder of the magical messenger and the true meaning of wealth.